Brand new Simply Cards and Papercraft magazine. This is issue 191. Just landed on our shores, and you're going to love this. So, of course, the magazine is there, but what else you're thinking? How about this? Isn't this pretty? There are 14 clear stamps, just gorgeous. And there are 5 dies, so you can see how that can go together. Actually, there's an idea right there to jumpstart your creativity. Let me show you what the magazine shows. There are some ideas, and of course, because you've got the stamp and the dies, you can make them in any color. So it's lovely to see just the variety of ideas right here. And then all of the step-by-step instructions are included, of course. Pop-up boxes are popular now. And let me show you more. Isn't that pretty to do a paper garden? Very nice. And yes, we also have this, and you can get that right here at paperwishes.com. And here is an idea, corner pop-up cards. I don't recall seeing this before. Actually, I did see this before. This kind of card right here, we just did on a webisode the end of July, and Teresa's given us a pattern for that. But you also can see lots of other ideas for corner pop-up cards. It's nice to get those extra ideas, and Practical Publishing does a great job of it. Isn't this pretty, using your dies and your stamps? And there's more right here with the watercolor look. So many ideas, all included in here. They always have an article talking about one of the designers, giving some information also. So here we are, Simply Cards and Papercraft, issue 191, right here, right now, and only at paperwishes.com.